Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our what sold video. These are the cards that sold on eBay. Had one sale on HIP for March 10th. As you can see on the screen, sales slowing down again. On eBay, 10 orders, $127. Had the one sale on HIP. Was decent for $24. Total 11 cards, 152. So could be better, but has been worse. Okay, let's get started. This is Braddock Heights, Maryland, which is here in Frederick County, showing Frederick Valley and view of Frederick. And that sold for $16.99. Next, we have Kansas City, Missouri, Harry S. Truman Sports Complex, Royals and Chiefs. It's like an artist concept, maybe. I think that's what it is. $9.99 for that card. Next, a bright and happy New Year woman pink dress on fountain, circa 1907. And that one sold. Looks like it's a tux. I don't remember. I probably did check it when I listed it, but I don't remember if there's an artist assigned to this one or not. But $7.99. This is Los Angeles, California, home of Eddie Rochester Anderson, 1941. And that sold for $4.50 on a best offer. Next, Happy Christmas, Child Gives Santa a Letter, artist signed clapsaddle. I've seen these go for $50, and I've seen them go for a couple. And this one has some corner issues, I think. No, maybe not. I don't know. I got $5.99 out of this one. Vivian White, female cowgirl, rodeo rider on, I'm not sure if that's Butler, vintage linen. If this would have been a real photo, this probably would have been $75 or more. Female rodeo riders do extremely well. $14.99 for that card. Easter anthropomorphic dressed cat chicks eggs. If I had room, I probably should have wrote in fantasy. And that sold for $19.99. I think it's going to Germany. Easter greetings, girl pulling exaggerated egg, 1907. And that's sold for $7.99. Next, Asbury Park, New Jersey, Asbury Avenue, Street View, 1917. And that sold for $4.99. Next, this place. I learned I actually looked up how to pronounce it, and now I forgot. Whatever. This place in Rhode Island, Cisco's Superstore Grocery Market, has some crinkling and damage, but interesting, like roadside market. $24.99 for that card. And then we have the one sale on HIP, Monument Beach, Massachusetts, garage and gas service station, Massachusetts. So there's that. If I had room, I probably could have worked in Mobil oil. $24.99. And that's it for sales. Yeah, slow day yesterday. So we got some postcard shows coming up this weekend. Actually today and tomorrow, Plano, Texas. It's the Greater Dallas postcard show. Someday I might make it to that one. Go up and talk to Jim. Jim's a good guy. He was a sailor in Vietnam era. Go talk to him. Hagerstown tomorrow. I'm undecided if I'm going to this or not. We're supposed to get some snow. Dulles, Virginia on Sunday. And then Houston, Texas, 18th and 19th. That one's canceled. And then we have Lancaster, March 25th and 26th. And I think there were a couple different ones. That was postcardhistory.net. And this is postalhistory.com. We got the Plano, Texas, Hagerstown, Maumee, Ohio, March 12th, so to what, tomorrow? Houston, Lancaster, and then one out in Michigan. Okay, that's it. I hope you have better sales than I did. Have a good day.